Good morning, guys. Today is our second day here in Poland, and we just woke up and now we're gonna have a breakfast again downstairs. And I hope there's breakfast because I think actually in this whole building it's just me and my husband are staying here. This is a new hotel. I think they just opened last week. Yeah, so I hope there's a free breakfast. Husband just made this artistic coffee for me. Now what is that?
That's coffee. Oh my God,
Say it again to me.
Say it to my face.
Hello again, guys. We just woke up. After we were done with breakfast, we went upstairs again to relax, but then we fall asleep. And yeah, we fall asleep because I think we've been very tired these past few days. We've just been walking and walking and walking yesterday, and then today has actually been a very relaxing day. We're just in bed and sleeping, and a bit later we will go out to find lunch and shop a little bit. And it's also nice to stay a bit longer here in the room because outside it's still very warm. So yeah, walking maybe towards KFC just to have a snack. It's so warm in here. See that? I'm all sweating. But I got my water. How are you feeling though?
Hot.
Yeah. It's so warm, really. And then we found a little shed here under the bridge. So now we relax a bit.
Why is it didn't just take a bus?
Exactly. But then, no, but taking a bus is like not fun. This one, yeah, it's hard, but it's also fun because you get to see things. We're not here every day, so ang init! How does it feel to drink your cola, Martin?
Already warm.
It's warm?
Try this pet snack.
Yeah, where is that located? I think we've already been passing.
No. It's on the other side of the road.
New Yorker is there. I love New Yorker. They're cheap. Orsay? I don't know that brand, but they're on sale. That's for my lunch. What's the name of this shop though? House. Nice.
Hey,
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Is it live?
Look at your face.
Feeling a little bit
What?
tired.
Why?
My legs are walking around you.
Maybe coffee. There's a lot of nice flowers here. The color. So now we're getting this cake. That coffee ice latte, and then that one for 39 Polish money. So it's around 70 kroner for the three. So we're walking here, going back to the hotel. But this is not the hotel area. This is where I saw this restaurant. So really scared. Why there's a lot of heart here?
I think because of the limousine, it could be people that are done with schooling.
You think so?
It could be something like that. It can also be
The what?
Bollywood.
The Bollywood cooking. They're buildings, but it's also color, no? See that? Looks like in Denmark, in a way. I know actually, no, I got a neighbor, you know, the flight attendant. She had a picture there sitting down on the stairs. In her Instagram, I saw it. My neighbor before in the Philippines. Yeah, the flight attendant.
Oh,
Yeah, she was